Here's a parcel of lower grade mine run beginner material, rules and millimetres, mostly bit of seam, bit of knobby material. It's been wetted to help highlight the colours and the rules in millimetres. Okay, I've zoomed in a bit. The material's just randomly poured out of a bag. You can see some of it's been rubbed. There's the rule there. Some of the pieces. That piece is quite sandy by the looks. Patch and colour. Whoever's cut that's cut it the wrong way. Should have cut it that way. End up with a stone there perhaps. You can see the colour bar. Some of this sort of material just makes interesting pieces the way it is. It's a knobby bit that's been sliced up. Just polish it the way it is. Make a little pendant. Bit of seam. Beauty with this sort of material is it's big enough that you can hold it with your hands and grind it rather than having to put it on a dop stick. That's looks like just black potch, but you could use that with some of the other material to make a doublet. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.